In today's video, I will teach you how to create your own gaming logo using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the search bar, type in the keyword gaming logo to open Canva's template library containing hundreds of gaming logo templates. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters in the sidebar to narrow down your choices. But if you have a more specific design in mind, you can start from scratch by clicking on the Create a Design button at the upper right side of the screen, select Custom Size, and here you can input your desired width and height. And once you've chosen your template, you can now customize your design based on your preference. Canva has millions of design ingredients that you can use to personalize your logo. And with Canva's drag and drop tools, designing your gaming logo is easy. To modify the color scheme of your logo, you can simply select the element that you would like to modify, and at the top panel, click on the color palette option and choose the color that you would like to replace it with. You can also explore Canva's vast collection of graphics and illustrations in the Elements tab. Simply type in the keyword of the element that you wish to see, and Canva will provide you with related elements or illustrations under the same tag. If you wish to upload your own brand elements and media, you can simply open the Uploads tab and click on the Upload Files button to import media directly from your computer. Canva also lets you import images from Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, and Google Photos. To add text, simply open the Text tab, and here you can choose which type of text you would like to make or choose among Canva's text combination presets. To edit the text, simply click on the text that you wish to edit, and at the top panel, you can change the font style, the font size, and the color of the text. And once you're satisfied with your work, you can now go ahead and save it to your computer. Simply click on the Share button at the top corner, select Download, and set the file format to JPG or PNG for stationary images and MP4 or GIF for animated or video files. Now, click Download, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.